Hello teacher, today I will talk about my email habits. Email is an important part of my daily life because I use it for many different purposes. First of all, I usually write email 2 or 3 times a week. I have 2 email accounts. One is for school, while the other is for personal use. Besides that, I often exchange email with my teacher, classmates, and sometimes company. I send email when I need to ask questions, submit assignment, or apply for internship. Moreover, I use email to send documents, receive important information, and communication communicate with other people. I think email are very useful because they are fast, convenient, and professional. So they help me keep important messages and file in one place. Finally, in my opinion, email are still very important, especially for studying and working. Thanks for the listening.